guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can split your screen on Windows. I think it works for like all browsers now, but you're just going to open up a browser for you to do this, and then you're going to, if you can, just hover over the Windows button, and then this will show up and you can select the one like this one or that one or these ones. You can select any. I want to choose this one for instance. I'm going to select this, and then I'm going to select the other tab I want for the second one. So I'm just going to select CapCut for instance, and then for the third one I have the other Windows. I don't know if I can change that, but as you can see now I have these three windows side by side, and it's just easier that way rather than like minimizing it. And it's very helpful if you're writing essays and stuff. You can like check in between your windows and your document. But yeah, that is it. Super simple actually. If you want it gone, just like minimize it and it will be gone. But yeah, I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!